The Vine's 16th hole, and I believe this is some sort of eagle or praying bird or something. I think he's got his catch by his feet. Here he goes. What you got there? That's a dead bird, I think. What you got there? Or was it a fish? No, it's a bird. I think it's still alive, poor sod. Don't want to get too close, he might attack me. Okay, you bird lovers, you can tell me what this is. Look at that. Amazing.